The second book in a series, after a while, I thought, okay, once you write one, you have to think, will I write two and then three? So the second one, I had an idea. I decided to go to this workshop, and you can see me in the back there. And I was interested in it because it has to do with writing things that have scientific content. And I do have a lot of science in this book. So they gave me a lot of ideas. I started it right there at that workshop. Also met a very interesting guy. He's from the islands, which was perfect. His name is Baptiste. He became a good friend of mine there. And he gave me a lot of stories about island life, which were very helpful to me. This book is a little different because a lot of it takes place underground. I wanted to explore what things are like in the dark, in the caves, and that's where a lot of the science comes in. So we have maps of the island, we have the underside of the island, and that has a big part in the way the story plays out down in the caves. When I do this in schools, we talk about the different kind of formations there. These are actually glowworms in a certain kind of cave. And in this book, they have glowworms in the cave, and they kind of simulate the starry night sky. So that becomes a part of the story as the turtle learns some things about the constellations.